How to render fast in After Effects using Media Encoder. In this video, I will show you how to render your project faster in After Effects using Adobe Media Encoder. This is one of the best ways to export high-quality videos without slowing down your workflow. Open your project in After Effects. Make sure everything is ready for export. You can check your composition, layers, and settings. When you're satisfied, go to the top menu and click on Composition. Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. Adobe Media Encoder will automatically launch and your composition will appear in the queue panel. From here, you can choose your format in preset. For example, if you want a YouTube ready file, select H.264 format and the YouTube 1080 pixel preset. Next, set your output location. Just click on the blue text under the output file column and choose where you want to save your rendered video. Pick a folder that's easy to access so you don't lose track of your files. And to speed up the rendering, you can adjust a few settings. Lowering the bitrate will reduce file size and export time. You can also enable hardware acceleration in Media Encoder's preferences, which uses your GPU to render faster. When everything is set, click the green Start Queue button at the top right. Media Encoder will begin rendering your project while you can still continue working in After Effects, which saves you a lot of time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.